Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for ambulance. B for bicycle. C for car. D for dump truck. E for excavator. F for fire engine. G for garbage truck. H for helicopter. I for inflatable boat. J for jeep. K for catch. L for lorry. M for metro. N for narrow boat. O for ox cart. P for pram. Q for quad bike. R for rocket. S for scooter. T for tractor. U for unicycle. V for van. W for wheelchair. X for xebec. Y for yacht. Z for zeppelin. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.